Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing out here doing another roof replacement. I have mentioned this in other videos, but I cannot stress it enough, the importance of having building ordinance coverage. Now this house behind us, it's an older house, and the form of decking they have is lap board. So those lap boards are in and of themselves not a problem, and at the time they were up to code. But if those boards are more than a 1/4 inch spaced apart, which in this case they are, then insurance, if you have the proper coverage, is supposed to pay for the new decking. Now, thankfully, this homeowner does have that insurance coverage, the building ordinance coverage, like I said before, and because of that, and because of our inability to mount a new roof to this platform because the nails would go straight into those 1/4 inch gaps and create a problem in fastening down the shingles, we are going to be able to put a new decking surface onto this roof, and insurance is going to cover it. So that is a bullet dodged by this homeowner because, as I've said before, no one wants to pay for new decking out of pocket. It's not fun. It's like paying for the roof twice. You don't want to do it. So make sure that you have building ordinance coverage in your homeowner's insurance policy so that you can avoid this and the other surprises that could sneak up on you during a roof replacement. All right, if you'd like a roof replacement or to get a free inspection, visit bluenail.com, and we're happy to come out, check out your home, and make sure you're all in one piece. I'll see you in the next video.